Once upon a time, there lived a wealthy woman named Nyai Bagandit in a village in West Java. Nyai Bagandit lived alone with abundant wealth from her late husband's inheritance. From her wealth, Nyai Bagandit often felt afraid of falling into poverty. This made her a miserly person. What's more, Nyai Bagandit has an unfriendly nature with the local residents. Nyai Bagandit would be willing to help people who were in a trouble as long as it was at a very high interest rate. Then, if people are late in paying their debts, they will be treated harshly by Nyai Bagandit's messengers and even confiscate the rest of their property. Some of Nyai Bagandit's bad behavior also made her often disliked by local residents. Coupled with her nature that likes to show off her wealth to local residents. One day, Nyai Bagandit was relaxing in her yard while counting her wealth of money and gold. Then came an old man walking with a stick. The grandfather was a traveler who asked Nyai Bagandit for drinking water. However, Nyai Bagandit refused and instead cursed the grandfather harshly and then chased him away. After being treated badly, the grandfather felt sad and disappointed. Then he stuck his stick in front of Nyai Bagandit's house while reminding the rich woman of the lessons she would receive. Seeing this, Nyai Bagandit ignored him and only mocked him with laughter. Then she went inside the house to die outside. After that, the grandfather pulled out the stick he had stuck, which then emits very heavy water. The gushing water caused a flood in the village where Nyai Bagandit lived. The villagers ran to save themselves. Meanwhile, the wandering grandfather disappeared somewhere. Nyai Bagandit realized the arrival of the flood too late and preferred to save her wealth. Finally, Nyai Bagandit asked for help while carrying a box of money and gold. Unfortunately, no one heard Nyai Bagandit because the residents had saved themselves first. Nyai Bagandit drowned along with all her wealth and the floods overflowed until finally forming a lake. Then, the lake or Situ was named Situ Bagandit.